Greeting lectures in this module, we are Group 21, I'm Lililn. Now we want to present our final project and portfolio. Here is our group members. Here is table of contents. Now I want to share our theme and culture. Our theme is everyday design, and our culture topic is Peranakan culture fashion in Malaysia with inspiration from Minnan Jianghua European culture. Next is research rationale. We already presented in our task 1 presentation. Next is our data collection summary. Research problem is modern design ignores traditional aesthetics and lacks in-depth research. We can combine Peranakan patterns into products. However, how to integrate traditional elements into modern design while maintaining their cultural value and contemporary appeal remains a challenge. Here is research question. In order to achieve our research objectives, we use 3 methods, which is observation, survey, and interview. Here is our observation insight. We divide it into 2 parts, field study and online research. From field study, we observed that some Chinese elements like phoenix and floral motif on the painting and kebaya clothes. And from the triangle displayed on the wall, its shape is similar to a hairpin, with craftsmen carving the Peranakan special pattern on the top. From online observation, we know that some motifs on the Peranakan patterns and triangle are same, like peony, lotus, butterfly, and phoenix. The unique floral hairpin culture, which is Minnan Jianghua tradition, the common type for the flowers are jasmine, osmanthus, peach blossom, and chrysanthemums.
Our survey is divided into 4 parts: demographics, awareness, modernity, and Peranakan culture. We collected the value point from different people through the use of Google Form and collected data analysis. From the several results, it shows that many people are not very familiar with the Peranakan culture and accessory, and there is a need to integrate modernity with tradition. Moreover, they also state a positive result regarding the idea to create a product using cultural references, as long as a minimalist multifunction and 3D.
Our third method is interview, and we interviewed Mr. Zhou in Malaysia during our field trip to gain more insight, especially on Peranakan culture. From the interview, we could summarize that many people today view Peranakan culture as a business rather than educational. Mr. Zhou also supported our idea of integrating Peranakan elements into modern products to raise awareness. Lastly, online research was needed to study the Peranakan hairpin.
Okay, so now I will be explaining our product and the progress of making it. Our final products are based on the research we have done in Project 1 and 2, which we are mainly focusing on phone case and hairpin, combined from Cucuk Sanggul and Minnan Jianghua hairpin. As you can see on the slide, it shows the explanation for each element, like there's a cream glue used for the frame, then there's peacock, butterfly, peony, lotus, and Peranakan tails. While on the second design, we mainly focus on the phoenix and lotus as the main elements. Peranakan geometric patterns were used as the background, combined with yellow colors. Our product blends cultural heritage with modern items through a Peranakan-inspired phone case and a traditional hairpin design. The hairpin attached to the case serves as a decorative ornament and a functional piece, allowing users to embrace heritage stylishly. This project reimagines traditional craftsmanship, making it relevant, cool, and accessible in today's world. So, how does our product evolve based on data collection and research? So in Project 1 and 2, we have researched about the topic in general and even dive in that research, especially in Project 2. During that project, we have observed, surveyed, and interviewed people in order to gain an insight. From the data, we summarize the findings and have listed down the Peranakan and flower patterns and elements. So in this final project, we used the elements we collect during Task 2 and combine it all into one modern product.
So, this is our work in progress for the phone case. First, we paint the background with acrylic paint, then we draw the design on top of the background. After done painting the design, we use resin for the coat to protect and make the design shining. Last, we decorate the phone case with cream glue. For the hairpin, we use different materials to make it. First hairpin, we use light clay to make the flowers. As for the second hairpin, we use stone clay and then we carve the motifs on it. This is our progress recap, and this is our visual references. The final output will be explained by Yiming.
So this is our final product preview, as you can see below. We created 2 phone cases and 2 hairpins with all different designs but still in same topic. Where tradition meets modernity, each design tells a story connecting the past with the present in the vibrant expression of culture. Now, let's move to our TikTok page and e-portfolio. Via the link below for our TikTok, there are 6 videos and it shows our journey from developing proposal until we reflect on the modules. And this is our individual portfolio link. Lastly, here are the references we are using to collect the data and the information. Also, there are survey documentation that we already analyzed on task 2. Thank you so much for your time and attention.